young girls be lying about their Instagram, talking about they don't got no social media.
I don't have social media.
Why you acting like that?
What? What am I acting like?
You said how old I am? I'm glad you asked that. You said how old I am?
Yes, how old are you?
I'm 12.
Okay, and you think you're gonna get my fucking Instagram?
What 12-year-old you know with a deep ass voice?
I don't know. There's a lot of them.
I'm trolling, bro. Give me that Instagram.
No, I don't have a gram.
You told me you think I'll give you my Instagram. Liar. This one I'm gonna talk to y'all type now. Don't give me misconfused. I love my black queens. I gotta put some deep in my. I gotta put some deep bass in my voice. Deep bass. Yo, hope you heard that. That was sus as hell. But you said what?
What?
You from the UK?
No.
I'm finna talk that shit to you. Yo people talk that shit to me. What? What?
What up, nigga?
How you know I'm a nigga? Yo, Lane. Get your foot. What the fuck? Oh, you trying to suck some dick? Oh, you want some dick, huh?
You want some pussy, huh?
You said what?
Nothing.
Yeah, that's what I thought. She wants some dick. Type your Instagram in the chat. You gonna get mad followers.
Huh?
Type your Instagram in the chat. You gonna get mad followers. You look very good.
Yeah.
Can I have your Instagram? I got 1 million followers. Wow. Yo. Damn. Hey, put your Instagram in the chat.
You can add me on Snap if you're interested.
Alright, put your Snapchat. I pay to see all that shit. Put your Snapchat. Put your Snapchat in the chat. PayPal. Put something. PayPal or something.
It's in my bio.
Girl, put the name right there, goddammit. I'm sick and all editing this video for y'all, bruh. It's like 4 clips. Yo. Then you fine as hell. Back up a little. Huh? You said what? Talk slow. Your voice thing is breaking up. Where I'm from? I'm from the USA. Where you from? You sound like you from UK. You are? You from where? Nigeria? Follow, bruh. Can I text you later? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna text you later, okay? Okay. She can't hear me because my phone was breaking up and her phone was breaking up. It's probably my phone though. The whole video, my phone been breaking up. I don't know if that's bad or good. Bad or good. I don't know if that's bad or good. My phone been breaking up. I need to get a gaming computer so I can hop on there. That's why y'all need to run them views up. Run them views up, chat. Run them views up, chat. I mess with y'all. I love y'all all. I don't discriminate. Why they skipping? Why they skipping your heart? Why you skipping your heart? Your heart. Why you skipping? Alright. Hi. How you doing? I'm scared. I'm scared. She doing the SMR on my whole video. I messed my whole thoughts up. Messed my whole thoughts up. Doing the whole SMR. How you gonna take over the video? I mess with Shorty though. She didn't say nothing. She just like me for real. That's my evil twin. She just like me for real. Yo. What's down? You could, but I should have asked for the age. The way she just hung out was so unresponsible. So unresponsible. Oh, shorty, you mad pretty. I'm trying to look that. I'm trying to look that. I'm trying to look that cuckoo. I'm trying to look that cuckoo vagina. Why you laughing?
I feel my best is amazing. I need to stop it. Keep it real good and silent.
When the master can
I feel like King James.
Yo, talk to me.
We get it.
I ain't gonna lie, I like her though. I like you though. Yo. Pause that music real quick. Pause that music. Pause that music. Pause the music.
What?
I gotta ask you a serious question.
What?
I'm just trying to make some friends, bro. I already made like 90 friends on this hoe. I'm just trying to see if you trying to be the 90th one. I'm not lying. Go, hey, type in my. You got a second phone? Type in my Instagram right now. You can see how many followers I got right now. That would change your whole mind. They'll blow it out the water. I'm finna type it in the chat. I'm finna type it in the chat. Then I'm gonna call you back so we can go to sleep on the phone together. Cause I do YouTube. Well, I'm a YouTuber and a rapper. I'm a YouTuber and a rapper. So you really bro, be quiet, bro. Just go follow my Instagram. Her mind is blowing out the water right now. I don't know what she said. Her phone would sound like a robot under 360 water. Under 360 deals. That must sound like we're going through 3 jump rope wires at 3 times. I'm talking too fast. I need to stop it. Well, I think I did good at this video. Well, I probably failed. Yo. I'm scared. Scared. She can scare me. I'm gonna use my white voice half of this time during the end. This the end. I named myself Johnny. I don't know why I did that. My name is Johnny Purge. Hi. My name is some clowns. Why are you laughing at your own kind?